morning, class. Who's ready for something new today?
Good morning, Miss Rivera. Yes, we're ready.
All right, class, let's warm up our brains. If a triangle has sides of 3, 4, and 5, what special kind of triangle is it?
A right triangle.
Excellent. And why is that true?
Because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. It's the Pythagorean theorem.
Perfect explanation. Now let's switch gears. Imagine dropping a feather and a book at the same time. What happens in space?
They'll fall together because there's no air resistance in space.
Exactly. Gravity works the same no matter the mass. So what does that tell us about motion?
That all objects accelerate equally under gravity.
Beautifully said. See? Whether it's math or science, everything connects. Numbers explain shapes, and physics explains movement.
Wow, that makes sense.